I'm going to break 2 eggs in this bowl.
Break it here.
First, I'm going to put these eggs in another bowl. And then I'm going to beat it with a fork. Mix 3 tablespoons of sugar in the eggs. And then mix it. Time to cup 2 cups of flour. So 1 and 2. And then mix it. Oh, this is looking yummy. This looks so yummy. It looks like I'm making slime, right? Yellow slime. Put a half a cup of milk. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to mix it. It's pretty slimy. Put a pinch of salt and then a spoon. 1 spoon of baking soda. And then mix it. First, you're going to get something with spoons and make it with a ball and put it in a hot oil. That looks yummy. Wait, can I use the rest of this for slime?